Hello friends. Today in this video we will see how to achieve paper cut effect with an image. So let's start. Here I took 4 colors for my 4 cutout images. First we will make a rectangle, by selecting Rectangle tool from toolbar. Make sure the fill of a rectangle should be white. Next step is to import image for paper cut effect. To import an image, select File option in menu bar and click on Place. In Place dialog box, navigate the folder and highlight the image you want to import. Now click on Place button. We can see the loaded cursor with the preview of image at the end of it. Just click on the artboard and image is placed in. Here you can see a cross sign on the image. To remove it, go to Property bar and click on Embed button. After that, click on Image Trace in Property bar and expand it. Select the image, and on the right click of mouse, click on Ungroup, to separate the image and white background. Remove the rectangle for a while and delete the white background of an image. To align an image at the center of rectangle, select both the objects, rectangle and image. In Property bar, click on Horizontal Align Center, and Vertical Align Center buttons. If Align options did not appear in Property bar, you can also open it by choosing Window, Align in menu bar. Next is to change the color of an image, so first select Image, then go to Toolbar. Click on Eyedropper tool. With the help of Eyedropper tool, pick the color from first box. Now again select the image. Press Ctrl+C, and Ctrl+F. To copy, and paste the image in front. Resize, and reposition the copied image. Change its color, by using Eyedropper tool, this time pick the color of second box. Now select second image. Press Ctrl+C, and Ctrl+F, resize, and reposition the third image. Change its color, by using Eyedropper tool, this time pick the color of third box. Select third image. Press Ctrl+C, and Ctrl+F, resize, and reposition the fourth image. Change its color, by using Eyedropper tool, this time pick the color of fourth box. Now select all the 4 images, along with rectangle, by using Selection tool and toolbar, or just drag the mouse over rectangle and images to select them. Next open Pathfinder window by selecting Window option in menu bar. Click on Pathfinder. After Pathfinder window opens, click on Divide. Now on right click of mouse, ungroup them, by clicking on Ungroup option. Select rectangle, and bring it to front, by right click of a mouse, select Arrange option, and click on Bring to front. Next select images, one by one from top, and send them to back. On right click of a mouse, select Arrange option, and click on Send to back. Next select all of the images along with rectangle. And, choose Effect option in menu bar. Then select Stylize. Click on Drop Shadow. As the Drop Shadow window opens, change the color to light black. Set X and Y offset value. Here I give their value to 11 and blur to 10. Click on OK. You can set these value according to you. If you need a deep paper cut effect, increase the value of offsets. That's all for this video. If you have any query, ask in comment section below. If you like this video, please give thumbs up, and for latest video updates subscribe to my channel. Thank you.